Hi dearly friends, Chris is again. Welcome back to another video. This is another request, the same for Ben, and in this video is SML short Jeffy has the hiccups. Okay, let's check it out. Back up on the cool ones and enjoy. How many of my photos up here by the way because it kept falling down every time I put them up here, so I thought I wouldn't include them in this one video.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom instead of my pee being full. Jeffy, you have the hiccups. The hiccups? Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing it.
I hate them too. Megan had hiccups today, a couple days, hours ago, didn't you, Megan? I had to give you some water.
Jeffy! Oh, okay, let me get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Yeah. Hold your breath and it'll make them go away. Hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you breathe. Jeffy, breathe!
Well, Mario, it's your fault. Oh my god, they're doing this again. They did it with Cody, now we're doing it with Jeffy.
Jeffy, come on. CPR. Well, you're alive, Jeffy. Your hiccups are gone, Jeffy. Okay, that's I'm gonna call a doctor. He's gonna help get rid of those because I can't stand there annoying. Okay, Daddy. All right, what's the emergency? Okay, my son has hiccups. You called my
You punch him.
Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy.
Yeah, why'd you even call the cop or the doctor?
What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? Is that a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
Okay, you're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are you kind of proud of that?
No.
Why do you get rid of
Do we hitting
Well,
them?
first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are. Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. You know, been there? It smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of the 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to blow. Yeah, that didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess.
But where the green ones are from, that'll scare them.
No, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Blow. Man, it's getting nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically blow.
You ain't gonna scare them.
All right, it's not working. Come on, follow it.
Okay. Okay, that's getting redundant. Stop it.
All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
A balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a no.
That's creepy, but it's not gonna scare them.
What?
All right. Okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy? Yeah.
I'm surprised they didn't scare him, I'm not gonna lie.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right. Get the angry drunk stage coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sherry, where's my dinner? I got laid off to work today, Sherry.
You're gonna be breaking everything now.
Soggy cookie crisp for
Ugh. Well, Jeffy's breakfast, I guess. They're going angry at Grandpa's level of fucking breaking things. Ugh, it's got milk on it.
Alright, on to stage 4. Alright, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
What happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the air goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
Alright, let me go get my goggles. Boom!
Oh my god, stop it.
I'm gonna get him eventually.
It's getting so redundant.
Let's do this!
Okay.
Alright, let's shoot this sample.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, you
Jeffy,
missed.
are you okay?
Or you shot it.
Yeah. Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot. Bullseye.
It was a pretty good shot.
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, put a hole in your wall. What? Yeah, okay. On your stage 5.
The people.
Yeah, bomb. Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes, and we all die.
Well, which wire did he cut?
The black one.
They're all black.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, okay, Jeffy, I'm to the wire. Okay, I don't know which one to pick.
Just shoot the wire, Jimmy.
Oh, yeah, okay, you need me, mighty, that one. What?
Did it work? Did I scare you?
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh my god, that's
Yeah. Anyway.
it's creative though.
Alright, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying.
Why don't you just show him a scary movie or something?
Yes, he dies.
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister Man.
With the Twister mats?
Yeah, you know Twister? Like
Show him the Bomb Man. That'll scare the crap out of him. Because that movie's so stupid.
Down you go.
Yeah.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he laid his left hand on red, so I say that's a win in my book.
But his hiccups gone.
Nope.
What do we do now?
Alright, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary
So-
thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Show him the War Meters movie. That'll scare the crap out of him. He might like it. I don't know.
That's good.
Cat food?
How much I owe you? Okay, let me just get my wallet. What? Wait, where's my wallet? What? I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home.
Oh my god.
Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no! What a scary situation! How are we gonna pay you? What do we do? How embarrassing! Okay.
Bring a
Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for boom! Alright, I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly!
Hey, it's finally something scaring him.
I told you it was really scary. It's like you ate my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
What, really?
Yeah.
What, Jeffy, do you have hiccups? Oh, thank you. What? I think that's why. It cured it.
Oh god.
Oh, no.
Mario, now you have him.
Wait, no, no, no.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
How would you scare someone if you had to? I'd probably scare the crap out of my brother with my fucking dolls. I don't know. By the way, guys, I'm only going to do 2 more videos, and that's going to be it because I was deprived of sleep last night, all night, and I wanted to get some rest and get some sleep. Take a little nap, so to speak. So yeah, with that said, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Peace out.